Hey guys, welcome back to Closing Cocktails, the series where we teach you a little bit about the buying and selling process while also showing you how to make a cocktail that'll help you calm your nerves. And today we're going to be making a down payment daiquiri. So the ingredients that you're going to need for this cocktail are 3 cups of ice, 1/4 of a cup of white sugar, 2 ounces of frozen strawberries, 1/16 of a cup of lime juice, 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, 3 ounces of rum, and 1/8 of a cup of Sprite. In a blender, you're going to want to start by combining the ice, the strawberries, and the sugar. So one of the things that we hear all the time from potential buyers is they come into our office and they say, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to put 20% down. How do I determine what I put down on a house? And that is a very valid question. The answer is simply no, you don't have to put down 20%. In fact, the amount that you have to put down on a house depends on the kind of loan that you have. And once you've blended your fruit and all of the lime juice and lemon juice, you're gonna add 3 ounces of rum to that. And you're also gonna add in 1/4 of a cup of Sprite and blend that in as well. So where that 20% number comes from that a lot of people are concerned about is actually when it comes to investment properties. So if you're buying a property for investment purposes, that's when you're required to put 20% down on the house. And the 20% number also comes from when you're wanting to get rid of your mortgage insurance. So if you don't want to have to purchase mortgage insurance, if you put 20% down, that gets rid of that requirement. But those are the only times that you're going to be concerned about spending 20% down on your house.
You are a child. Next time, we're doing this at her house. Claire's gonna come down and be like,
What the So there are going to be 3 types of loans that you're going to want to pay attention to that are going to apply to you. The first is a USDA loan. So USDA loans actually are 100% financed, which means you don't have to put any money down on a house. The next one is going to be your FHA loan. FHA loans usually require 3.5% down, and then there's conventional loans, which require about 5% down. That's about the baseline of where you're going to be with all of those loans. Bottom line is, if you're buying for residential purposes, you don't need to put 20% down. And there you have it, our down payment daiquiri. Ooh, that is good. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Stephen Delisle. Oh my God.
What's going on,
Stephen, it's so good to see you. Why don't you try our down payment daiquiri?
this one's really limey. I know we could add some more strawberries.
Yeah, I would definitely add more strawberries than it calls for, and maybe a little less ice.
Still June, July, I'm not complaining.
Yeah, for sure. This is a really great drink for if you're wanting to, again, sit on your back porch, sit outside, enjoy the weather, and still have kind of a cool, refreshing cocktail. This one's great for that. Thank you so much for joining us for this episode of Closing Cocktails. And remember, with Delisle Properties, luxury always comes standard.